Hey guys, Sean at Cowtown USA. We've got a fully custom Merhow 2026 model, 12-foot Shortwall, 9-foot slide, mid-tack, and a 17.5-foot stock. Let's walk around this trailer and show you how some of the cool features it has. Up front, we got the polished nose. This trailer's got dual hydraulic jacks, aluminum battery box. Going down the side, it's got the full armor plating down the side of it. It has got your power awning with the weather guard on it, and also the LED light strip underneath it. We've got your outside speakers. We got the 10-gallon gas and electric hot water heater. Got your outlets right here. So we scroll back down here. This trailer does have the plexiglass in it. And there's some neat options on this trailer. This trailer is upgraded with the 10,000-pound axles with 17.5 aluminum wheels and tires. So on this trailer, it's a little different than some stock LQs you see. So we put a side ramp, trying to make it like a side load. So if you walk up here, this trailer's got a float and cut gate in it that you can move every which way you want to go. So you can load your stuff here from the side, set the gate wherever, and make it very versatile. Then when we step here around to the back, we got a rear ramp, and we got horse trailer type doors. So, you know, right here, you could have some storage. So this trailer here, then you can move that gate right there. You can go through it if you want to load from the back. And also, that's a floating gate as well. So if you want to haul a side-by-side, you want to haul some other stuff, you can put it there, slide the gate wherever you want to set it at. So you have multiple ways how to load your stock. You know, if you needed to separate your stock, you could put it up here. You know, if you're one of those guys that pulled a wagon behind your trailer, you could still hook your wagon up, unload your horses from the side or the back, whatever works best for you in that situation. We step around to the side over here. This trailer does have your hay rack up on the roof. It's got your upgraded to the pull-out ladder. Another thing that we done on this trailer as well is we put a regular horse trailer type escape door in it with a drop down window, but it also has your briar door latch, so you could step into the horse area, use it as a mud room, or if you had to take care of your horses while you're going down the road, you can. You can also set the saddle racks over here in the corner as well. John, you want to get us a picture of that? I think this trailer weighs 14 roughly, I think is what it weighs. So then we could step from in here and we'll just go into the mid-tack. So with this trailer, we opted to have the bunk beds. It's also got two big air vents ducted back here for AC and heat. The saddle racks, like I said, they can move back here to the first stall. We also put a TV back here, so if you got your kiddos back here and it's a rainy day at a cattle show or a rodeo, that they can watch some TV and kind of relax as well. We step into the living quarters part. This trailer is a 12-foot Shortwall. We've got your big walk-in closet. And this is a solid door. This trailer also has soft touch walls. It's got the hardwood package up on the ceiling as well. So all your vents, your fan, all that's trimmed out in wood. It does have the porcelain stool in it as well. And then we step in here, like I said, soft touch walls, hardwood package on the ceiling. The cabinets in this is upgraded to the high gloss cabinets. Everything is solid wood, so when you open the drawers, solid wood drawers, dovetail joints, recessed cooktop, convection microwave, big stainless sink. And this trailer does have 2 ACs on it because we, trying to get air back to the mid-tack as well. So it does have the dual ACs. It's got really good steps up to the bed. And as we step up into the bed, there's another TV over there as well. The couch will make into a bed as well. So guys, if you're wanting a high-end stock LQ that's got all the upgrades, all the features, give us a call, 573-885-6300, or go to CowtownUSA, inc.com.